Make your Windows 11 look insane in 1 minute. First, right-click on the taskbar and open Taskbar Settings. In Taskbar, turn off chat, widgets, and anything you don't need to keep it clean. Next, open your browser. In Browser, search for Windhawk. Click the first link. In the Windhawk page, download Windhawk. After it downloads, go to your files and install Windhawk. The install is super easy, just keep clicking next and it will start. It might take a little time, so yeah, you can drop a like on the video while you wait. Once it's done, make sure the Open Windhawk option is checked. As soon as you click Finish, Windhawk will open. Go to the Browse for Mods section. Then open Start Menu Styler Details and install it. Now go back to Taskbar Styler Details and install it. After that, open Notification Center Styler Details and install it. Now go back to Start Menu Styler Details and open Settings. In the Themes section, select Translucent Start Menu. Don't forget to save your settings. Then go to Taskbar Styler Details and open Settings. In the Themes section, select Squircle. Tap Save Settings. Boom, your Windows 11 looks insane. Got any problem? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.